Greetings and welcome, friends. We're taking a look at page 351, solving quadratics by completing the square. Specifically, problems last night we're targeting A that were not one, not uno, non-uno, non-uno. So, here we go. Let's start this off. Zach will move the old C term, of course, classic move. Good first move. Move that pawn out, right? And I'll get equals -7. Then I'm like, oh, wait a minute. I can't complete a square if this isn't 1. What? So let's do this. Let's divide everybody by A. And I will get x squared plus 7/3 x blank equals -7/3 blank. Now, don't be afraid of the fractions, friends. If you are, go check out my good friend Khan Academy. Salman Khan Man is what I call him on the street. And he'll show you all about the fractions, those f-fractions. So what we'll do to find my new C term, the formula, b over 2 all squared. Thanks, Zach. So I will do 7/3 divided by 2 all squared. It's going to be 7/6, because, right, dividing a fraction by 2, you double the denominator, is what you do, right? 7 squared is 49, 6 squared is 36, 36. So I'm going to add 49/36 to both sides. 49/36. On the left, this fast factors to be what all squared? What does that factor to be?
X plus 7/3. Yeah. 7/6.
Right? We take it right from there, the thing I had right before I squared it, or whatever b divided by 2 was, or the square root of this thing. And on the right, I'm going to need to find a common denominator to figure that out. So I'm going to multiply this by 12/12 in order to do that. 7 times 12, 70 plus 14, -84, 36 plus 49, 36. What's that going to be? It's going to be negative, let's see, -35, I believe. 36. Regular 35? No. No, the common denominators stay there. Right?
No, -35 on the top is under.
Oh, you were verifying that I was right. Okay, I'm all right. You're okay. You're giving me like positive reinforcement here. I gotcha. Thanks. I was doubtful in my phrasing of it. Root both sides, plus or minus. Don't forget it, right? You got to bring it around town. So I've got x plus 7/6 equals plus or minus. Let's see, square root of -1 times the square root of 35. I can't break up. Square root of 36 is 6, if I'm not mistaken. And hey, we've almost got x by itself. Subtract this 7/6 from both sides. And I get x equals -7/6 plus or minus. What is the square root of -1? I. Square roots of 35 over 6. So that means my answers are imaginary. How wonderful. A fantastical universe where quadratics have imaginary x-intercepts. Okay. So there's problem 29. Key, once again, is you have to get rid of the a before you complete the square, is the idea. Let's see, next problem. Yeah, go for it. So let's see. It's all right. Let's move the old C term to the other side, add 35 to both sides. And we will get 12x squared minus 13x blank equals 35 blank. He's got a chair on the other side of the door now. Don't worry about it. So, let's. Oh wait, I can't find my new C term because I got to deal with this 12 first. So what do? Div.
By 12.
Div by 12. I guess I didn't need to put those lines there just yet. So let's see, x squared minus 13/12 x equals 35/12 blank. So we'll find our new C term. So that's going to be, where's my cursor? Negative 13/12 divided by 2, all squared. It's the same as negative 13/24 all squared.
Then be a 30/12 instead of negative 30/12.
What's your question?
Why is it negative 30/12?
Because I divided both sides by 12 before in order to get a positive 1 leading coefficient. So to find my new C term, I'm taking whatever B was.
So B is also with a negative sign.
Yep, B will take the sign with it, yes.
Yeah.
Yep. So let's see, negative 13 all squared is positive 169. 24 squared is 576. I remembered that
See, this
from
is why
last
I
class.
was doing it wrong, 'cause I had like huge numbers.
Big numbers exist.
I agree.
Yeah, I kept thinking of doing it wrong.
Don't doubt yourself. Just believe in the numbers. Wow, how amazing was that song? It's like inspirational music right there. If I wrote a book about that song, Oprah would have me on her show to talk about it. So let's see, what all squared? You guys know how to factor this.
See, this is what I don't get. Like, it'd be like negative 13 over 24, but how would you write that?
Like
Like exactly how?
like exactly how it is, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, isn't that great? Equals. Now, I've got to figure out how to add those fractions there.
So times 12 over 12. No.
I think I have to multiply by 48/48.
Why 48?
Because 12 goes into 576 48 times.
Okay.
So that would give me 35 times 48 is 1680. 576s plus 169, 576s. Add those together, and what do you get? You get 1849. All right, what happened in the year 1849?
Over 576.
Yep. I don't know, 1849, that's pre-Civil War. So I'm guessing there were slaves. People were probably still doing math. America existed.
Wait, where did the 1680 from? Is that 13 squared?
1680 came from 35 times 48. Yep. So root both sides plus or minus. Don't forget it. Never gonna forget the plus or minus. It's so great. X minus 13/24 equals plus or minus. You ready for this? Square root of 1849. 43.
Whoa.
Yeah, that was a perfect square. Square root of 576 is 24. And then add 13/24 to both sides. And I get x equals 13/24 plus or minus 43/24. And hey, that I can figure out. Wait a minute. 13 plus 43 is 56/24. 13 minus 43 minus 30/24. And now I can reduce those fractions. X equals 8 goes into both of those, so that's 7/3. And 6 goes into both of those, so that's negative 5/4. And those are the answers,
Only
friends.
2 problems took up my whole day.
Yep. So
Yeah, these problems can be pretty beast, no doubt about it.
how do you simplify from big fraction to
From here to here,
yeah?
I just took what the square root of 1849 was, and I got,
That's perfect word.
yeah, it
Yeah.
was pretty sweet. I liked it. So that's a couple problems from the homework. Let's talk to you guys later, internet friends. Bye-bye.